Okay. So today we will understand some addition of vector, how to add two vectors, right? This is simple concept when we will learn about the addition of vector. That is based on simple addition, right? Okay. So we are doing the addition of vector. Let's look P1 plus P2. We have the two vectors, P1 and P2. This is minus 4 and 3 and 5 and 3, right? So when we get the addition of vector, so how that we will do is minus 4 and 3 plus 5, 3. So when we add these two vectors in a simple form is minus 4 plus 5 is nothing but 1 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Right? This is a simple addition. When we see in the form of a graphical representation, so okay, we are going with the graphical representation, right? That we understand better. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6. Similarly, when say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, right? That is we have vectors. So how to it? Okay. First we are a P1 point, right? So P1 is a minus 4, minus 4 and 3. If someone minus 4, 3. This is the first point P1, right? P1. And similarly when we get a P2 is a 5 and 3. 5 is mean this and uh, someone here P2, 5 and 3, right? And when we add the P1 and P2 with a graphical representation, so it's a point 8 on that particular point. And similarly, we get a point on that particular point, right? When we add at a point, so it's a 1 and 6. When you add with particular vectors, so third point is something is there, right? Is a 1, x-axis is a 1, and y-axis is a 6, right? So the addition of p1 plus p2 is nothing but 1, 6, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6. This is our vector addition in a graphical representation, right? This is a simple vector addition, that's not a big deal. And we get another example and understand. Okay, example. Let's consider we have vector x1, y1, z1, right? And b vectors taken is the x2, y2, z2. So what we'll do when we add these two vectors a plus b, so what we get, right? That is the point. Okay. So let's get x1 plus x2, y2 plus y1 plus y2, similarly z1 plus z2, right? And we get another value. This is the x3, y3, and z3. This is a vector part. And we talk about that the use cases in machine learning. So, okay, use cases. When you learn about a neural network, machine learning algorithm, and real world applications, right? When you this is real world application, real world application, real world application. That is use case is simple is using e-commerce website. Use e-commerce website, e-commerce website. Uh, in a word evaluating word word evaluating and third image preprocessing, right? Image preprocessing. Image processing. This all that you learn in a data science, right? This is a neural network, word learning, in all things are useful in a real world application. We learn one by one how they use cases and what is the use on a real world application, right? Okay.